All right, welcome to circle number 4. Circle number 4 has a radius. We know it because the line starts from the center of the circle, goes to the outer edge of the circle. The number is 4.5 meters. So our radius is 4.5 meters. Now, what I need to do is I need to reference what I did on circle number 2 because it also has a radius. Except for the only difference is the number of the radius, the length. This is 4.5, that's 11. The only thing I do differently is instead of putting an 11, I put a 4.5. So you're going to have the exact same formula. You're going to work it out the exact same way, except for the radius will be 4.5 instead of 11. So reference what you did for circle number 2. Do the same exact steps for circle number 4. Just make sure that for the radius you put 4.5. Find your answer down here, pull them up for circumference and area. Make sure, excuse me, that you show your work. Do not just pull up the answers from here and put them in here. You need to show your work like you did for number 2, like I showed you in the video for number 2. Show your work for number 4. If you have any questions, let me know.